Today we're going to look at another activating strategy, which is what we're going to look at today is called which one doesn't belong. And then you're going to have a box with 4 different things in it. It might be numbers, it might be shapes. Today we have shapes. It says which one doesn't belong. Explain using math. So you have to choose one and decide which one doesn't belong. So my choice, I'm going to say this one. If it were a compass, this would be southeast. So this southeast box doesn't fit. So I'm going to say, let me see, let me use a text. I'm going to type, I'm going to drag it down here so I can type. Black, let's see. Does not belong because I'm going to say the other ones are quadrilaterals or have 4 sides, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides because it has 5 sides instead of 4 like the others. Alright, so again, with this, there's not a right or wrong answer. It's whatever you think and that you can explain using math. For our problem of the day today, it says create a story where the 2 addends are equal and the answer is 18. So I'm going to use my highlighter tool so that way I know that I'm including everything. So I know I need to create a story. I'm dealing with 2 addends, which lets me know that it's plus. The answer has to be 18 and the 2 addends are equal. So I had to think about what 2 things can add together to give me 18. They have to be the same. Now I know that 9 plus 9, those are equal addends and they give me 18. So there's my addition sentence, but I also have to create a story. So I'm going to get my text tool. So I have to think about a story, kind of like a word problem that I could use to show that. So I'm going to say Mr. Rivers has 9 Comet Cash. We'll say Miss Price also has 9 Comet Cash. How much do they have? I'm just going to say together. So I'm going to check back to make sure I answered. I created a story. I have 2 addends that are equal. It equals 18. So I did all parts of that. So that is how we will do a which one doesn't belong. And also with a problem today, we're going to always make sure that we're answering all parts. And that's it.